Goyal, Director, Goyal Screw Press, to share his presentation. I would also like to thank Goyal Screw Press as they have been the principal partners to organize this event. Goyal Screw Press is the manufacturer and exporter of vegetable oil, extraction plants, oil mill machinery, and oil press machines. Over to you, Mr. Goyal.
Yeah, so good day to all the excellencies, ambassadors from India to Kazakhstan and from Kazakhstan to India, and my fellow presenters for this evening. So I would just like to start by presenting ourselves. We are an export-oriented company, Goyum Screw Press. We are engaged in edible oil manufacturing plants from Punjab. And so just to give a brief info about our company, we are a family-owned company. We started manufacturing in 1971 in Ludhiana, Punjab. And for last 50 years, we have been exporting edible oil processing plants. So when I say edible oil processing plants, these are the plants which help to generate edible oil from various oil seeds. As we were seeing in presentations before from Invest Kazakhstan group, that there is a considerable amount of sunflower and cottonseed and rapeseed oil production in Kazakhstan. So these oil seeds can be processed in our machines and you can get edible oil fit for human consumption and edible oil seed meal, which is used for animal feed. So our company is getting back to our company's introduction. We are an ISO certified company, CE certified company in edible oil and fats and oleochemical sector. We are recognized by Government of India as a star export house. We are a registered supplier of United Nations under 1998881. We have a fully equipped manufacturing facility in Punjab, which provide tailor-made equipment with precision engineering with the help of our qualified team. These are the business verticals in which we operate in. We are providing turnkey oil extraction projects. We are working in solvent extraction projects and edible oil refining plant. So just to give a brief, oil seed can be made to fit for human consumption by the method of refining. So it's just not that you extract the oil, or let's say sunflower or cotton seed, and it's fit for human consumption. It is not like that. You extract the oil and then you have to refine it. So we are vertically integrated in that, providing complete turnkey solutions. And again, since we are based in Punjab, it's a land of agriculture. We have technical collaboration with flour mill and rice mill companies in Punjab. So we procure from these suppliers, manufacturers, and supply with our company's brand name. Similarly, for animal fish feed, we have our own capacity to manufacture these plants. Coming to the manufacturing facility, we have about 10,000 square meter area in which we house the modern equipment from Korea, Germany, England, USA. The team is highly quality conscious, and we have a team of about 500 people who are working day and night to honor the orders which we are getting throughout the world. Since we are a family-owned company, so family-owned companies tend to overlook the professional aspect of the group. So in order for us to become global, it was important that we have to become global if we adopt the global standards. So we are registered with the AOCS. We are a member with the MPOB, not a member, but we are having an exhibition collaboration with them. Similarly for IOPB as well, and IICT, all these government and semi-government institutions, we are partnering with them to develop our machines to the level of global scale. This is a brief idea about our company's footprint on global scale. We are majorly in Africa and in the Central Asia sector in Uzbekistan, as well as Southeast Asia, Papua New Guinea, Australia, and Solomon Islands. Since our machineries are related with agriculture, so we are focused in agricultural economies. So that leaves the Sahara Desert, the area of Tunisia, Algeria behind. We have mainly focused in Africa and in the sector of agriculture in Middle East, as well as CIS countries. Our social commitment as a corporation, we are abiding by all the environmental standards we have to adopt. We have a very good facility in Ludhiana where we adopt very strict guidelines for environment and hygiene and encourage all our partners and all our suppliers to follow that. We are a company, as I told you before, for 50 years of experience in oil sector, having its advantages of sophisticated machineries and infrastructure, which helps us to market our products to the global market. So we were discussing about, since this event is specifically for Kazakhstan, these are some info we get from Kazakhstan by brainstorming on internet, that Kazakhstan's is like the 13th largest producer of sunflower seeds. And we were also seeing in the presentations before, they are exporting a good chunk of oil seeds to China and other neighboring countries. So I feel that is where we can get in, so that we can add value addition to the crop, and rather than exporting sunflower seeds or raw oil seeds, we can export finished product like oil cake and oil, sunflower oil, rapeseed oil to the neighboring countries, so that there is value addition as well as generation of employment in the Kazakhstan economy. So these are the facts about the crop, which we have about 850,000 of sunflower and 400,000 tons of rapeseed production in Kazakhstan. The crop area is about 2.9 hectares, which we get from various sources. And we found that through brainstorming on data and seeing various websites, that India accounts for only 1% of agricultural equipment exports. So I'm talking about harvesters, I'm talking about tractors, agricultural machineries, flour mills, rice mills, edible oil sector. So we are just contributing 1% to the overall exports of whatever India does to Kazakhstan. So I feel there is a window we can increase our share of India's exports to Kazakhstan if we focus to provide more value addition of not only oil seeds, to provide edible oil as well as oil cake. Next presentation. We are, since to be a global player, you have to be abide by the global standards. So we are registered with CE, ISO. We are a star export house, so, authorized by the government of India. So these are some of the credentials we have. So this is the most important thing which we want to share. Like, we have this model where we partner with various stakeholders in local countries like Sudan, Ethiopia, West Africa. We are working in Mali, Burkina. We have a method in which we partner with reputable companies who are engaged in engineering products. So we are looking for partners in Kazakhstan who can import machineries in collaboration with us. We can sit down and discuss how we can work on the commercial aspect, so that we can introduce these machineries to the Kazakh economy, to the Kazakh average associations or a farmer, and they can have a value addition of their products. Our machineries are not completely like a very advanced or the state of the art products. They are economical projects. They start with $50,000 set, a unit complete project, $50,000, and they go up to $2 million, $3 million as well. But our focus is to tap into the small and medium scale farmers or business association, agricultural associations. So we are looking for business partners, and this is for all the attendees as well as the panelists who are there. If you can, if you are interested, Goyum is open to partner with you. That is all from Goyum company. Thank you for your attention, and you all have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.